Look at that.
What is that?
Okay, I sit here next to him. We've only been dating 6 months, but I just know. It hit me like a truck 5 months ago and 20 days ago. He is the one I will marry.
I think I might have packed a little bit too much. I'm always such an overpacker, but it's always better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. That's what I always say. I'm gonna be going on this trip with my 2 roommates who you guys will meet. I can't wait to share with you guys this awesome journey. I've never been there before, so yeah, very excited. Let's get going.
Hello, YouTube. I am Nadia's fabulous roommate. My name's Dia. Here's Nadia, very focused on the wheel.
Hi, this is Tiffany.
Tiffany, what are you most excited about?
The Hobbit house.
Tiffany, I don't really know much to expect because Nadia's been eyeing this place for like a long time.
Are Hobbits real? No, they're not.
I wish.
Is it even worth looking into Hobbit facts when none of us have seen the movies?
I was gonna bring my flute and I thought it'd be so cool to play some sort of song. Oh, like the theme from Lord of the Rings on the flute. And oh my gosh, that would have been really fun. I was thinking about bringing my flute, but I was like, that's too much. We already brought a guitar.
She brought her guitar, so we're like, I think we're set.
2 miles. Use the right lane to take exit 51B, California 78.
Oh, we're only 30 minutes away.
We're getting close.
So Nadia left us on the side of the road so that we could film her like driving to her house.
Me and Dia will camp out here.
This is not natural, but we'll go with it. Kidding. We love you, Nadia. There's like a little frog family that lives in the cabinet, but you can't. I think oh no, he's here! Oh my god! This is our little bathroom, outdoor bathroom. I really like it.
Yeah, it's
With the outdoor shower.
Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, they look little seats up here too.
Cute. So right now we are on the top of the Hobbit house. This is it. This is the house. Should I open up the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think
It is massive. Dia was saying it was small.
Inside, no, for some reason,
like...
I expected it to have another like room of some kind. I think because I was imagining like the actual Hobbit.
I mean, all of our stuff is kind of like all over the place, but so charming. Who's out there?
Hello.
Hello. Another Hobbit joining.
Welcome.
Chop chop.
I'm like...
Oh, hello. Why is it so hard?
Tiffany and Dia are shooting videos for TikTok, and yeah, we're just like, I don't know, having some fun with the house, and then we're gonna go on a walk around like this very short trail around the gardens. It's just so like, it is gorgeous. It is so pretty. It is magical. So to get to the Hobbit house, you walk down this dirt pathway, and then you get to the side of the Hobbit house where you can see these wonderful windows right there. And then if you continue to go around to the side, you'll actually see the front of the Hobbit house. This is a travel with Nadia moment as I step away from the house for a little bit to talk to you guys a little bit more one-on-one together. The whole thing is this place is a little bit expensive. Normally it just accommodates 2 people. There's just 1 full-size bed in the Hobbit house. What are they doing? Look at these girls. I think Dia's just walking in the woods with a lantern in the middle of the day. It does just accommodate 2 people. However, we asked if we could have like a 3rd person and they said it was fine. So I'm gonna be sleeping on a sleeping bag on the ground, which will be fine. And then they get the bed. I honestly don't care at all. But anyway, I wanted to step away and talk to you guys because Dia and Tiffany are my new roommates, and I had actually just moved a few months ago, and before then I didn't know them at all. I really appreciate the way they welcomed me into their friend group because they've known each other for so much longer than I've known them. During this time in 2020, I had like some bad experiences. I basically moved twice. I am moving. Surprise! It's a surprise for me too, actually. This hasn't really been planned. A lot of people are going through some hard stuff right now, and this is just what life is. I'm gonna try to stay positive during this video. It was kind of a struggle to find a place that really felt like home. And this is our first like roommate trip together, and they've just been so sweet, and I feel just so blessed to have them as roommates. It's so hard to find. Guys, I'm just talking about how thankful I am that I've met you guys and that you've welcomed me into your home. And just like introducing, you know, my new roommates.
Oh my god, hi.
Yeah,
so
you guys
sweet.
are the best.
When Tiffany and I met Nadia, like immediately,
She was like,
we need her.
One.
Yeah, when she texted us about, we were like, okay, when will she text? Should we text first?
Yeah.
Is it too soon?
Should we play hard to get?
And then you. Yeah.
Oh,
we love you.
Aw. Thanks, you guys.
Oh, this is so cute.
I'm just so happy. This is like our first
Oh
trip
my
together.
God,
I'm just
yeah.
talking about how much it like really means.
We're all
to me,
hobbits.
and we're all hobbits.
As she's
Should we actually go on the trail?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
The
should.
lantern that
Yeah,
you were
yeah, I'll
carrying
figure it out.
around. The real
Hobbit housewives.
Yes.
We should do it.
Husband.
We don't need husbands.
No. Oh shoot, there's like poop here, and there's like all this stuff. Look at this. What kind of animals are on this trail?
Dia, what did you do?
Oh, come on.
Hobbit bypass, how cute is that? I was getting a shot and now I am very far behind Tiffany and Dia. You what?
I heard a growl.
I'm gonna fight an animal.
I swear, I'm not lying. I heard something.
You heard a growl.
I did.
Well, there must be wild animals if there's fresh poop, right?
I hear the rustling.
Do you hear that? No, from there. Right? What is that?
Wait, I don't hear anything.
Are there mountain lions here?
Our Airbnb host told us that there are mountain lions here and foxes and coyotes.
Yeah.
Is it a mountain lion?
Maybe we should
you
not.
think you hear?
We should go back.
You want to go back?
I'm okay with this, but at the same time, like, I'd rather not die today.
I think we're fine.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
What if hobbits are like, oh, hibbity, hibbity, hobbity, hip?
Do you see this?
These are footprints. I would guess deer.
Hobbit footprints.
Hobbit.
I think it's a mountain lion.
So now we all heard a growl.
That's what I heard earlier on. I think it's following us.
It was so close. I was setting up the camera so that we could all walk through.
Tiffany?
What if it's a man?
Growling? Your Hobbit husband. So I guess we've decided to turn around. But what could growl besides like a mountain lion? There aren't bears here.
But it also seemed to like sprint really fast.
How did you know that?
I just heard the growl though.
I just heard it like rush.
There's the Hobbit house. We made it back safely and alive. Oh my gosh! Look at these lights! These lights just turned on. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. They've really thought of everything. This is called Black Bear by Snowline Orchard. I've had it once before. It is so good, and you guys are about to witness me like not opening a wine bottle correctly.
But there you go. Oh my god. Oh wow. Very seamless.
Yeah.
Woo!
Anyway, it tastes like blackberries. It's like the most unique
Oh,
wine
I already
ever.
smell it. It's so strong.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Oh my god. It's
Right?
like, yeah.
Tiffany, smell
It's
this.
a pure blackberry. It smells so good.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Okay, great. Yay!
Cheers!
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 Tiffany's holding the camera right now. I appreciate
Oh my
it.
god, this is so, it smells so good. Oh my god.
Right?
Oh
Okay,
my
okay.
god.
I'm gonna hold the camera because Tiffany, you have to try this.
Okay.
It's juice.
Oh my god, yeah, it is juice. What the heck? Wait,
But I
this is
promise
good.
you, it's
Does it get
wine.
you drunk?
Yes. You're
It's a
moving.
snail.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, really?
He's
It
moving.
knows. The
along.
camera's watching it.
To
Cheers to Nadia for
To
finding this
Hobbit.
beautiful Hobbit world. The snail's gonna be 90% of your vlog.
It's a star. Start an Instagram for it.
I would if I could.
We can eat him.
True.
We should.
The escargot.
You gonna try?
Well, no, I'm vegan.
So you can't eat him.
It moves fast for a snail.
I know. We're gonna put it down on the ground.
Here we go.
Nice and safe. Wow, you can actually see the stars here.
Yeah.
It'd be really cool if you could see like a shooting star. That'd be amazing. Where's the moon?
The moon.
Yeah. There's
Yeah,
no
where
moon.
is the moon?
I guess there's no moon tonight. That's probably a planet over there.
We should have brought marshmallows.
Well,
That's what I was saying.
but you said you didn't eat them.
No, but you said you were on a diet. You should have brought them.
I'm
then.
always on a diet. I just collected all that I would.
Lovely.
Let's go.
Oh, we forgot we need to light the little mushrooms. I brought mushroom candles.
You think you just have to hear? Can you? Oh, there we go.
Okay, great. Amy's organic chili. These actually look so cool. Do you see this?
Cute.
These are really interesting spoons. I love
Did
the
the
look
Hobbit
of
make
them.
it himself? I just wanted to take this time to reflect my day in Hobbit world, and you know what else can the Hobbit do with this time of day?
Self-portrait.
What did you draw?
That's me.
Wait.
I wanna-
Oh. You put that in the guest book?
Yeah, this is the, I'll just rip it out. It's fine. It's okay.
There we go.
I'm just trying to, I guess, warn them that they shouldn't be afraid because this was just for a TikTok. So I just want to provide a little bit of context so that they're not looking through this. Like who is the last person who stayed here? Like, are they crazy?
Are you gonna tell them what your TikTok name is and to
you were so right. Yes, advertisement. TikTok. I don't know what this is. I think that
you did that.
I did. Yeah, that was
Where
me.
were some of the other ones in here?
These are much prettier.
Oh wow! Oh wow, that's gorgeous. What's like the first entry?
Oh, that's so. Oh wow! Look at that.
What is that?
Okay, I sit here next to him. We've only been dating 6 months, but I just know. It hit me like a truck 5 months ago and 20 days ago. He is the one I will marry. My soulmate, my best friend, my partner. Our circumstances special. We are in the very middle of the coronavirus pandemic and have been quarantined for a month and a half now. I'm beyond grateful that at least we're together. These are scary times, surreal times. People are dying. The world is at a standstill and no one knows what's coming. But amidst the scariness and uncertainty, we have found ourselves in this Hobbit hole. We found a break, a peace of mind from the far. We sit by the fire and we got to remember what is pertinent to us. We have each other, and that is what has gotten us through this. We have spent 24/7 together for the last 2 months of quarantine, but the Hobbit hole has given us the chance to reflect. We are living through history right now. We'll write a better letter.
We're all just like 3 single girls. Like,
So romantic.
it is romantic.
Elf King.
Good morning. It is about 6:30 right now. We are just packing up and then we are going to head out.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she why does it get stuck in my head? I don't know.